budget like us. We're gonna show you how to make some fly-ass earrings.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes,
It better be okay. Come with us.
Where are we going?
We're gonna make these earrings.
Oh yes, come with us, we'll show you how we made them.
For our homemade earring project, we have some good colored pencils. We have chosen to go with paper for the backgrounds of our earrings. You can use scrapbooking pages or you can use something from an adult coloring book, so you can customize it yourself. We have a couple of different types of Mod Podge, a drill, wooden discs, rub and buff and liquid leaf, and some findings of jewelry.
Start by using a 5/64 inch drill bit to drill a hole near the top edge of all wooden discs. Be careful not to drill too close to the edge because you can risk splitting the wood. Next, add another hole on the opposite side of the smaller disc. This will be where the discs are attached together. Now it's time to embellish our earrings. I'm using rub and buff to polish the wooden edges with a nice brass tone, while Michaeline is using liquid leaf to give hers a silver metallic edge. We're painting the sides of the wood using chalk paint and acrylic paint. Now onto the paper.
So I've picked this page. I love sea creatures and I was like, octopus tentacles! Okay. Right about here. I'm using the larger one, obviously, so I can get the most tentacle-ness out of it. And there we go.
Using an Exacto knife, cut the paper to match the size of the large discs. I have 2 of the scrapbook papers cut out per large circle. Then use a decoupage glue to attach and seal the paper to the wood. Brush a coat on, then you put your piece down, and once that's flat, take another layer of Mod Podge and cover the rest. And then we'll let that sit and dry. If you're adding paper to both sides, be sure to stop and poke through the drilled hole so that it doesn't get lost under the paper. Insert a flathead pin found in the jewelry findings kit through the hole in the large disc and then through the lower hole of the small disc. Use pliers to bend the pin around and then finish off in the original hole. Use 8mm jump rings to attach the hook earring to the small wooden disc at the top of your earrings, and they're complete.
The cost of basically everything for this project, I feel like, was $1.99.
They're super lightweight, fully customizable.
You could take these and just do one wooden disc. You don't have to have like the 2 dangle.
You can do big, little. You can do big, little, big. You can do many.
You could do big, little, big, little, big, little, big. Have it go all the way down to your feet if you wanted. This set actually with the old world maps, this was actually a Christmas gift that I made for my friend who travels a lot. So I picked areas on the map that I know she's been to.
Mine was a more selfish thing. These are definitely for me. I needed pink earrings.
She did pink, and she doesn't usually wear pink.
But it matters. I had to because I matched my eyeshadow to them.
Yeah.
You can use fabric, you can use paper, or you can just use regular old paint for these. There's literally endless possibilities, and you can make one for every one that loves earrings on your list.
Yes.
Now, if you want to look fly as come on with us. We're gonna show you how to make
You're
them.
on camera.
Oh, what do you mean? That's the one I'm talking to. That's the one that's videotaping my face. That one's the one.
No, this is just hands.
I was making some gangster act. It saw me. I was getting real.
Your face needs to go that way.
Come on with us. We're gonna show you how to look fly as fuck.
I thought you weren't gonna do an accent.
No, I said it. I'm gonna do it anyway.
Oh, okay, sorry.
I'm from New York.
I
can do
wasn't
that.
expecting the accent. Okay.
Come on with us if you want to look fly as fuck. We gonna be making these earrings, and they real cheap.
I think that might be offensive.
Why? 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 Because it was so good.
It was just, yeah, it was on point. But it was like too on point for those.
Alright. I gotta dull down the. Okay.
Yeah, go more New Yorker.
Okay.
Less.
Okay. Understood.
Thug nasty bitch. Okay.
If you want to. No, I was going English. Oops. You can't ask this of me. I can't character change.